Hello everybody. This is a Wheelock fire alarm in the Christian Education building in my church. Now I don't know if it's a Wheelock 34T or 7002T. And I don't know if it is coded or not. I've never heard it go off, even though I know this alarm has been here as long as I can remember, of course. It's older than me. And I would guess that it was installed sometime in the latter half of the 1980s or early 1990s. I know that this type of alarm was discontinued in 1994 since it did not meet modern ADA requirements. But it seems like the rule that law has not been retroactive, meaning that it doesn't apply to existing alarms and that you don't have to replace them, at least for now. The tag on the side of the alarm is too small for me to read from this distance, and that's all I can show you right now. But thank you for watching.